Here is a fantastic prop.
This is cannabis.
That lawyer, by the way, is holding up an actual bag of cannabis. The people in front of him are North Carolina Supreme Court justices. The people behind him are active sheriffs and other law enforcement officers. And I just want to pause here to say it's really worth looking at like everybody's face in this room. Just fantastic. So why is this lawyer bringing this prop into a courtroom? We're going to get to that. First, you have to go back to 2019 when North Carolina got on the same page with federal law and legalized hemp. After that, things really started to change because hemp, if you don't know, is just like pot. It is the same species of plant, except hemp doesn't have very much THC in it, and marijuana has enough to get you high. Now, back in the old days, before 2019, if police smelled what they thought smelled like pot, or if they just saw what looked like pot, that was enough probable cause to have them search your car or whatever else. But after hemp came along, technically, they couldn't tell the difference. Marijuana and hemp, they look the same. When they burn, they smell the same. They are almost identical unless you run a very complicated test, a test that the state crime lab cannot run. So at first, the rules were like, hey, look, you really can't just use that as probable cause anymore. But police would do it anyway. There was a lot of confusion, especially among the courts, who at first were like, no, you can't do this. And then they were like, no? And then, yes? Anyways, that's why this case is in front of the state Supreme Court. And to make his point, this lawyer who is defending his client got out a baggie of cannabis and said, this is hemp, but can you really tell? If you think it's not, would you arrest me? Am I breaking the law? Do you think I'm breaking the law? We're going to find out whether or not this test actually succeeds because the North Carolina Supreme Court has not decided this case yet. And when they do, I'll probably make another video.